Hey guys, come with me as I try to replace my fluorescent bulb with an LED light in my retractable ceiling fan. We're going to make our homes nice and bright. I'm also going to show you something I learned that you should know. Hey guys, I'm Darius of DIYPC. I only turned off the light because I'm not messing with any internal wires. Otherwise, I would turn off the fan at the electrical panel. This bulb burned out, but we can still see what we need to get at the store. Alright guys, so I'm in the truck. I'm about to go to Home Depot and get this light. We're here at Home Depot, so let's go inside and see what they have. Okay, so we've got this new one right here, and it has the 4 prongs that are, you'll see right here. It's got these 4 prongs, and I'm going to connect it first. Actually, I'll connect it to the 4 prongs. Go underhand. Oh yeah, that was real easy. And I want my looms to be, you see right now, it's at 4,000 or 4,100. So I'm gonna do this. Let's see here. Or maybe I should turn it around. That's kind of weird. Whoa. Let's get that going. It's not actually coming this way. Huh, interesting. Almost feels like you have to do it this way. So it looks like we have to do it the opposite way. This white part is on the bottom, and we're gonna connect it again. But I'm gonna have to put it on, twist it to get right here. That's not gonna work. Huh. So this one is not working the way I need it to work to get in there. Might have to take it off of here. Take that off to make it work. Let's see something. If I connect this, I just want to see if it actually will light up. So I'm going to test this out to see if it's going to light up. I have it connected right here. I'm going to take this off so you guys can see it. Just go in here. So it's connected right there. So you can see it's connected right here and connected right here. And I'm gonna get this remote and let's see what happens. Okay, so it works. It actually works. Hit that remote. So I'm hitting the remote. See, it turns on. Hit it again. It turns off. So it does work. I just have to get it connected now. So we know that this particular LED light does work. But now we just have to get it to connect to the actual unit. So this old one twists like that. It twists like that, so you can place it wherever you need it to go. There you go. See? The new one does not twist. So we headed back to Home Depot again. You should know that different locations may have different lights. Did you know that they sold LED and fluorescent circular bulbs? Let me know in the comment section. We want to get a circular fluorescent bulb that's not too dim or too bright. Our goal was to replace the fluorescent bulb with an LED bulb. LED and fluorescent bulbs look similar to each other and have the same plugs. We wanted to change our light bulb to LED, but unless we modified the fan, we had to stay with the standard fluorescent bulb. We learned that the fluorescent bulb connection needs to swivel in order to stay on the fan. They didn't say that in the manual. Hey guys, if you like fans, check out how we installed this modern fan with an LED light. I'll leave a link in the description below. I got back from Home Depot and I decided to go with this one because it had 4100 lumens and it was pretty bright. It was just about the same color as the old one. Let's check this out. So the old one looks like that. See, it had the dark marks on it. And this new one, $7. So the other one that I had, which was the LED, was like $17. This one right here is only $7. So let's put this one up in the fan. I'll move my hand so you can see. Let me see here. We'll do that so you can see exactly what I'm doing. So I connected that. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to zoom out a little bit so you can see exactly how it swivels. We swivel it, we're pulling it down, and then we're going to move it. Let me see here. There we go. I'll pull it over this way. I'll move my elbow out the way and stick it in here. There, you can hear it clamping. Then I'm gonna grab the remote control. Boom. Remote control. Hit that button. There it goes. And we've got light. So, looks good to me. Turn it off. So, some of the things I've learned is that you have to have a swivel on your circular light bulb. And the swivel right here is what allows it to be able to have that room in here. So that's something that I learned. I had no idea about that. So I hope that that helps you guys and it saves you a trip to the Home Depot or Lowe's or wherever you choose to go. I'll put a link in the description that shows what I got and also the size of this lamp so you don't have to guess at it.